Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to generate a report. Let's get started. To run a report, you will need to go to your inspections by clicking Inspections on the menu to the left side of your screen. Then, you will select the inspection that you wish to generate a report. We can then click the Reports button on the right side of our screen. This gives us two options, the standard image report and the CSV report. Let's run the standard report. This report will include an overview page, an index of the data, and a list of images that have been annotated with issues. You can then download the report as a PDF document to be shared to and reviewed by your team. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to edit or customize our reports. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.